This video is going to change your life. My hair went from short to long and thick. Aloe, rose water, wash day, growth oil.
Oh wait, what's your name again?
I'm Yinka, Naturalista, and I'm going to show you how to grow your natural hair long, thick, and healthy. As I walk you through this hair ritual, I'm also going to tell you about the time that I was embarrassed and called bald-headed in front of so many people on campus by this girl that did my hair and had seen my real hair. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is start using my special oil mix to oil my scalp and my hair to make sure that I get some hair growth benefits and also to make sure that my hair and scalp are not stripped and completely dry when I shampoo it later on. Alright, so I'm going to let you all watch my regimen as I tell you this totally embarrassing story about this girl calling me bald-headed in front of everyone, and maybe I was a little bit bald-headed at the time, but it was just so painful and I didn't deserve that. So basically, the way I grew up, my mother always did my hair and she always took care of my hair for me. But when I went to college, I pretty much went all the way across the country, and at that point I didn't know what to do because I didn't have anybody there to do my hair for me. Next, I'm going to apply some aloe, and I'm going to show you two ways to apply aloe: directly to my hair and also mixing a special concoction to make it even more potent. So when I was a freshman, I was approached by this girl that was a senior, and she told me that she could do my hair for me. Obviously, I looked like I needed someone to do my hair because my leave out wasn't blended, my weave was so old and raggedy, and I was so excited and so grateful. And we had planned for her to come to my dorm room the next weekend to do my hair. So my hair was relaxed at the time, and I'd already prepped it, washed it, blow dried it, and everything. And she told me that she knew how to do like a U part and everything, and she knew how to braid in a circle, to like braid my hair in cornrows in a circle. And when she started doing my hair, I noticed she just sectioned off like the first third of my hair and left it all out, and then she just started doing straight backs in my hair. I reminded her that we'd agreed on her giving me a U part so I could have minimal leave out, and she's like, yeah, you'll have that, don't worry. So I literally sat there while she continued to do my hair terribly, and I knew that she was doing it wrong. And by the end of it, I was left with like a third of my hair just left out in the front, and then all the tracks just sloppily like layered over the straight backs, and the hair in the front was really short, so it couldn't even cover the actual tracks that she had like laid on my straight backs. But I was very timid and I had a hard time speaking up for myself, so I just said thank you, and I paid her $175, and no, she didn't buy the hair for me. Next, you're just going to see me washing the conditioner mix out and also adding some more conditioner to my hair. Alright, so I ended up sending her a text a couple days later saying that I appreciated her doing my hair, but I just wish that she would have been honest if she couldn't braid in a circle pattern and give me a U part. And she basically told me that I was so bald-headed that that's why I wasn't happy with the way that she did my hair, which that wasn't true. It just wasn't what we agreed on. Also, notice how I always dip my head under the water before I run the comb through it, just to make sure that I have a lot of slip. Anyway, so I ended up seeing her in the cafeteria later on that week, and she was with her friends, and when I walked by, she basically told everyone that I was bald-headed, and everybody just laughed and made fun of me. Alright, so I'd let the rose water sit for at least 5 hours beforehand, and here you see me using my Glam Comb and dipping my hair back into the water. I love this. It made my hair so soft when I saturated it with the oil, and then I put the water on top of it. I don't know the scientific reasoning behind it, but it makes it so the water doesn't just dry out my hair. And here's my 4C hair. It always bounces back. I have no heat damage. If you want to see how I straighten and blow out my hair with no heat damage, make sure you go check that video out. And after I blow dry my hair, I like to apply some more oil to my hair and my scalp using my Glam Comb, and then I put it in these cute little braids that I've been doing lately. So I'll do like a top bun or 2 top buns and then do these 2 braids, and then I'll take them down. And my hair is so soft and manageable, and I've just been loving this lately.
I just can't stand the moments that we are apart. The distance between us is making me anxious. I just wanna know that you are